Hello everybody and welcome back to 5 Minute Crypto. Today we do not have a crypto update but rather a very interesting guide to NFTs, how they basically work and how you can most likely make some money with it too if you wanted to. Having said that, this comes from Arshia Zojaji. Very cool guide, quick shout out to you and let's read into it. Digital art is experiencing a renaissance, therefore in this idea, I provided all the information needed to start making and selling your art in the form of an NFT, which stands for non-fungible token, on blockchain. Now, what is an NFT? An NFT is or stands for non-fungible token, something like certificate of authenticity. In real life, classical artwork and valuable historical artifacts are often sold at auction with receipts indicating the object's authenticity. NFTs does the same thing for digital items. They certify uniqueness in GIF, JPEG, MP3, and any other format, and this technology creates a new kind of ownership for digital files that wasn't previously possible. NFTs can be bought, acquired, or sold, and even destroyed as physical objects. The process of converting your work to NFT is called minting, which refers to the process of creating a new blockchain coin and will forever be attached to that content, such as your image file. Artists multiply the internal NFT by adding an internal commission to the token, usually 10 to 30%. Whenever their work is resold, they are entitled to this commission, which is a very interesting part of it. Is it possible for my work to be converted into an NFT? Perhaps. We live in the wild west of the NFTs and anything is possible. Digital art, songs, memes, recipes, and even startups are now on the list of NFT stores. Currently, there are very few restrictive rules on what can be converted into one. What does it take to start building an NFT? You don't need to know enough about cryptocurrencies to build NFT. You only need some tools such as crypto wallet and some Ethereum. How to connect wallet to the NFT market. Once you have your wallet ready and you've bought some Ethereum, it is time to choose the store where you want to build and sell NFT. Recommended for beginners working on the Rarible website because it offers the easiest way. To connect the wallet to the Rarible, first go to the website and click Connect from the right corner on the page. On the screen, select Wallet Connect if you use Rainbow or Metamorphosis, and click Wallet Link if you are using Coinbase. This part actually refers to the different ways which you can connect your Ethereum wallet to the actual store, and I would personally say you don't need to know a lot about crypto. However, make sure you understand your wallet at least a little bit because you can lose money this way if you do things incorrectly. Many other wallets use this option, and it is worth checking out these options to choose the preferred wallet. It does not matter what wallet you use because the next step is the same. After selecting the Connect option, a QR code is displayed on the screen. Scan this code using your wallet app, and after scanning, confirm the wallet connection to Rarible because this connection is secure. Rarible forces you to confirm your purchases after each transaction. Once your wallet is connected, your Rarible account will be created immediately. Now you have all the tools you need to build, mint, and sell your first NFT. Now, where do you sell them? He put a list here of a couple of huge digital stores for NFT, starting off Zora. Zora is a store built on the idea that content creators should take control of their work from the main platforms. Zora allows creators to mint images, videos, audio files, and even plain text documents. Currently, this store allows pre-invited creators to operate. Rarible. Rarible is one of the most popular websites for creators and collectors who want to enter the NFT world. Uploading content and building NFT on this website is as easy as posting a video on YouTube. In a market full of websites that can only be operated by pre-invitation, Rarible is one of the NFT destinations that allows new developers to sell their work from the moment of registration. However, due to this freedom of action, it is necessary to change the copyright and content control laws on this website because of all the scams. Super Rare. Super Rare is an NFT store for digital artists, like all of them are. You will not find memes or text posts or simple sound effects for sale here. This is a real artist-only store. The Super Rare series is very organized. New works are placed on the platform at the slower speed. Searching in Super Rare is like I don't know if it's rare. I don't know what he's doing. Is like stepping into a specialized digital gallery. NFT works on this website are a reflection of thousands of hours of artists' work, with prices sometimes rising sharply and the new builders being accepted upon request only. Nifty Gateway. Nifty Gateway is an NFT store that focuses exclusively on collectibles. Nifty works with prominent artists and musicians such as Grimes and Justin Roiland to release limited edition collections of NFTs. Nifty Gateway is one of the main NFT websites that separates itself from other digital retailers on the list by accepting credit cards. Like super rare art works are very expensive very often, and new artists must apply to the website before they can post their work. And last but not least, the most popular right now, OpenSea, is one of the first NFT stores and a huge library of content at various prices, including digital art and 3D collections and in-game video items. This website is one of the most accessible websites for NFT novices and offers a great experience in searching for pieces of art. And then if you're wondering how to do it, there is no specific technique for making pieces of art that can be converted into NFTs. If the store supports the file format you created, then it is possible. This can be in JPEG, a text, an MP3, whatever. It just depends on the exact platform you're using. And that was it for 5 Minute Crypto.